Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced, scroll down again in order to find the, let's say, ringtone section. Here we can change the ringtone for calls. Here we've got two different options which are connected with two different SIM slots, so we can divide the ringtone between them. But we can also change the notification sound and alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. For example, the first SIM card, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've been immediately transferred to this list, and here we've got some defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option none, and it means that simply our device won't notify us about the incoming call. I mean, it will notify, but not using the sound feedback. And at the very bottom, on the other hand, we've got the option to add a ringtone. So after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So for example, download it, they will appear right here, and if they will be compatible, then you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. Of course, if you cannot find it here, just tap on this three bars icon and you will be able to pick the folder. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And of course, I've got my device muted, so let me unmute it a little bit. And as I said, after tapping on it, you can listen the ringtones. Alright, so if you're happy with your choice, in order to set particular ringtone, simply tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. And as you can see, after getting back, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. And of course, it will work the same with all other apps. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.